YouTube, welcome back to a new video. It has been a while since I have uploaded a video, so I hope you guys have missed me. I'm actually really excited to see what you guys have made, and also I want to thank all of you for 9K subs. I appreciate all of your support. It means a lot to me. So now our next goal is to hit 10K. Looking forward to making some new videos for you guys. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's try to find the first one. Okay, I returned to ROBLOX GFX and made progress. Compare and tell me which one's better. Alright, so the one on the bottom is the oldest, newest oldest. Okay, makes sense. You have made progress. I can see that. This one, the old one here, let's see the differences. I can say your render, the lighting is far better. However, on this one, I think you should have at least added like a floor here, like you had here. The effects are also better. Weapon here, this had no effects. The lighting wasn't too good either. Alright, this one we have an icon, work in progress. I like the helmet. It has a nice texture to it. The only thing I could say is, well, it's a work in progress, so I'm curious to see how it turns out. New thumbnail for Bearded Area 14. Love the lighting here. Volumetric. There's fire. There are the soldiers. Inmates right here holding a knife. This inmate has a gun, apparently. I don't know how he got a gun. Well, I think it is. This one too. That's pretty interesting. Honestly, I was just curious. Let's see if this could make it a bit better. Yeah, I actually like that. Increase the clarity. Look at that. That is a huge difference, if you ask me. That's pretty sick. This was already a fantastic piece of work to begin with, but I just think this makes it a whole lot better. Something like that. Okay. So here is the before, as you can see, really nice, and here's the after. So leave me a comment down below on what you think. A LUT right here, LUT files. This is also nice. This is pretty nice. Boom. Let's keep going. Oh, this is sick. I like this. Alright, I don't want to overdo it, so I'm just going to leave it right here. Let's go to curves. Let's try to adjust just a few things. That's way too much contrast, so you never want to go too far like that. Just leave it as something modest like that. And here we go. This is the before and the after. You could also turn down the opacity to like 80, so it's just not as strong. We have some black bars. This kind of looks like a movie scene. This up here. Alright, as you can see, I mean, this looks pretty good. So I want to give a shout out to Ends right here. Icon commission for anime fruit sim. I think this could have used some effects like fire right here, some ice, snow, some like just some effects. You know, it has like no effects. Let's check it out. The foliage is really nice. The plants, leaves, trees right here. However, I think the effects are a bit too bright, so this could actually use some contrast. I would edit this image, but the watermark's kind of getting in the way, so I would love to otherwise. Thumbnail design for base battles RB. This looks great. I love this style. This is like a YouTube thumbnail style, but characters, the rig is really nice. The textures here, obviously, it's like a mix between cartoony and some bit of photo realism. It's a great combination. Something a bit different. We get a Porsche here, a Porsche, however you like to pronounce it. Alright, so I'm just going to end it here because I want to upload this video. If you guys enjoyed this one and you want me to keep going, leave a like and a comment down below. And yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.